these clothes. This looks a mess because I ain't got no bra on. No bra. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I know y'all see a different kind of setup. I'm at my best friend's house and I'm now like a little rock, okay? Losing some nails and everything. But let's go ahead and get into the video. Guys, today is actually going to be a try-on of some of my favorite jumpsuits. For the past year, I've really been getting into jumpsuits. I'm not really a jumpsuit kind of girl, but really been getting into jumpsuits lately. So some of these jumpsuits are for the fall, some of them are actually for the summertime, but I'm going to pair them with a couple of cover-ups so you can see how you can turn like your summer or spring jumpsuits into fall and winter jumpsuits, okay? So before I get into the video, let's get our housekeeping out of the way, okay? And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Turn the notification bell on so when the kid posts, you guys can get the latest and greatest on what's going on inside the nation. Oh, TikTok. Y'all also follow me on my TikTok platform. Y'all know if you shout me out, if you shout me out, at me or duet me, I will shout y'all on my Instagram platform, okay? I take that song. Oh, yeah. Oh, of course y'all know any everything about the jumpsuits as well as cover-ups, things like that, I will link down in the description box below along with the offer codes, okay? So without further ado, let's put on these clothes. These clothes. This looks a mess because I ain't got no bra on. No bra. When your knees is bad, when your knees is bad. one just be hot. I be hurt. I've been stroking. That's what I've been doing. I've been stroking. Ow, my nail. Okay, y'all. That's it. That's it. That's it. This who needs is bad. I know this looks a mess, and I'm giving it to you. Okay, guys. So hopefully you guys like my jumpsuits and the pairings that I did. Definitely tell me which ones were your favorite down below. Also, guys, if you have any more like lookbook ideas, I'm not doing no bathing suit. I'm not doing no lingerie. So before you get the idea to ask me in the description box below, just know it's a no. Okay? Any other jumpsuits though? Jumpsuits. Jumpsuits on the ground. Any other lookbook ideas, definitely link them down below. I think that's it. I'm out of breath. Yeah, so I guess until next time, Sheen Nation.